Also guys, I've been checking yung kanyang pre-market. So far, decent naman yung pinaka-volume. Last price niya, 0.02. I guess today, pag-uusapan lang natin or a quick update lang tayo dito kay Bloom. Yung kanilang TGE, meron ng announcement doon sa kanilang community. As well as yung kanilang Season 2. Kung paano dito makapag-earn ng meme points or MP guys, no? So, pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa video natin today. Yung mga nag-aantay dito is that ito yung pinaka-recent updates nila, no? So, bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys, no? So, matagal na nga itong inaantay natin itong si Bloom. Meron dito mga updates as well as yung paano makapag-earn ng meme points sa season 2 na ito guys, no? So, recently meron ditong update, like for example, meron tayo ditong 50 meme points. Dito natin guys makikita naman kung paano ma-earn yung mga meme points. So, like for example, check natin ito. Ito worth 10 USDT, like ton. 10 USDT you can get 50 meme points, no? Tapos like for example, ito namang isang to, if you launch nung token din sa kanilang meme pad, you can get 500 meme points. Pwede dito guys i-simulate, no? Make sure lang na you understand yung fees dito if you simulate 10 USDT. Again, this is only a tutorials, an update, and doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. So, if you get some insights dito, idea and update guys, no? So, ito optional itong mga to kasi kailangan mo dito ng ton or like a certain USDT para ma-simulate at makapag-earn ng meme points, no? So, ito yung possible mo na makuha if you do this task, no? Like for example, 10 USDT of trading volume within don sa single transactions, no? Sa isang trade, no? Dapat 10 USDT yung nagamit. So, dito naman medyo mahirap ito kasi kailangan na ma-complete yung capitalizations no market cap para mapunta doon sa DEX, no? Para ma-earn itong 10,000 meme coins. Pero sa other maybe influencers or doon sa may mga project developers, madali lang ito if they have a good project. Dito naman, launch token and meme pad. Anything you can create token dito and make sure lang na you understand yung pinaka-transaction fees nga guys, no? Kasi once you launch token, kailangan ng ton just to launch yung or para ma-launch yung meme, yung token na ginawa mo guys, no? So, if ever man na ma-launch mo na yon, you have this additional 500 meme points. So, as you can see guys, close muna natin dito. Meron tayo ditong 50 meme points guys, no? Yung ginawa ko dito is that itong isang to, I just do some single trades na worth 10 USDT. So, I get 50 meme points, no? So, pag-usapan naman natin dito guys, claim muna natin ito. Ayan, claim muna natin ito. Pag-usapan natin dito guys, yung TGE nila. So, meron na sila ditong update. Punta muna tayo dito sa may earn. Ayan. Check natin yung mga socials. Check natin yung Telegram nila. Andito yung update kasi. Ayan, tapos punta tayo sa taas, no? Kasi December 29, 28 ata na update na yon. So, punta muna tayo dito. Scroll up lang natin. And I think dito na banda yon. Sa taas yun guys, na December 28. Ayun. So, eto. Win TGE, win token. So, they mention naman dito guys na they want yung seamless trading dito kasi meron silang trading bot na under testing. And they want to make sure na okay yung mga features na yon. So, they mentioned that we could drop the TGE or token generation event sooner, but here's the truth, we're not here for empty promises. We're here to launch platform that's fully packed. Yan, kasama yung trading bot, multi-chain meme pad. This means na hindi lang ton yung gagamitin dito, potentially pwedeng gamitin yung Solana network, Arbitrum, and I don't want to mention na lang yung Ethereum kasi sobrang taas ng gas fee. So, yun yung isa sa mga naisip ko. Meron din sila ditong potential trading, the ultimate trading app na that's been always the plan since day one. So, ito, December 28, presumably, I don't know, hopefully Q1 this year. Quarter 1 is like January, February, March, no? So, once all of these are live, we'll drop the token generation event. So, they make sure dito guys, no, sa team nila, since itong mga team na to is mga veterans naman, they are active na complete and na-test ng maayos yung mga features, no? So, sabi dito, stay patient, it's coming. So, hopefully, by this quarter, or maybe this January, we'll see guys, no? I'll eyeing for this updates naman dito sa kanilang community updates sa kay Bloom, no? So, wait na lang tayo for now. I'm still farming dito while waiting. It's free to farm yung kanilang drop game guys, no? Yung you can get points as well as dun sa earn tab. So let's go back. So dito you can check ito, weekly ito guys, no, sa my earn tab. Tapos dito sa kanilang mga updates, like for example you watch videos lang dito, on chain, socials, you can get nung mga points, no, as well as yung weekly updates dito, yung mga quest, ayan, and yung dito sa home, yung kanilang drop game guys, ito. So you can play, you can earn, and you can still farm dito. Yung official link na ito guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo. Also itong season to guys, still on its testing phase, no, wherein you can earn meme points dito. Andito naman yung mga criteria para makakuha ng mga meme points, like trade your way to meme points, no. So I'm waiting for these updates guys, and I'll keep you posted na lang dito sa ating YouTube channel if meron mang mga developments, updates, as well as the TGE or the token generation event guys, no. Also guys, I've been checking yung kanyang pre-market. So far, decent naman yung pinaka-volume. Last price niya 0.02, highest bid 0.009. As of now sa pre-market, yung presyo niya is nasa 0.01268, no. So yun, yung mga recent updates dito kay Bloom is that I'm waiting, I'm farming. Ang isa sa mga ginagawa ko while waiting, and do productive things dito sa end ko. If free time yun, nilalaro ko yung kanilang drop game guys, no. So yun, hope this video helps, and kung meron kayong mga questions, just feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.